Okay guys, have a Can-Am Defender, and ever since I bought it I've wanted to put haul a gun safely, and I've looked and searched for how to do a gun rack, and after much research and looking I decided to make my own, because this Defender doesn't have the round roll bars, the roll cage, to attach a gun rack to. So what I did is I removed the headliner and I made these brackets right here, and they go up and they bolt in the place where the cab is held on. So I put one here and I put one over here, and I fixed them where the bolt, when you thread it in, it threads right into the top of this. I put a 1/2 inch chunk of metal on the top, drilled and tapped it so the I think it was 8mm bolts, when they go up in it, they go right into this. So it acts like the nut and the washer, and has a good nice surface to hold the cab down, good and wide, and the plastic roof isn't going to pull through it. And the way I spaced it, made it, see, it comes right perfectly to the edge of this little plastic ceiling trim, and it also doesn't impede this headliner at all. I didn't have to modify that. So this is 3/8 inch, and it's welded like a 90-degree angle. And this is a 3/16 by 1.5 inch flat bar, and these Santa Cruz gun locks slide on it. And right here is where an Allen wrench tightens them down in the spot you want to put them so they're incapable of moving. I like it. I like it really well. It has a place where you can unlock it with a key right here, but it also has an electric button that you push, and when you do, it activates a solenoid inside, and they will electronically unlock. Now, if it had a gun in it, they couldn't, they wouldn't fall through, but you would just reach up here and, lift them out. And that is how, very simply, with 2 brackets and 1 piece of flat iron, and then doing the wiring, I added a nice, safe, convenient, out of the way, and I still have, lots of clear, nice headroom in this cab. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you if you're trying to figure out the same dilemma I was.